Ice and Watershield is a form of underlayment for your roof. Now, this is typically made out of a rubberized asphalt material that has a sticky back that when you peel off, it is applied directly to the bare deck of your roof. Now, this is a form of leak protection, but by no means it's leak proof. So it typically depends on the climate that you live in. For instance, if you live in an area where there's a lot of rain, a lot of freeze, a lot of thaw, things like that, the shields will be installed around the eaves, the valleys, and penetration areas that are mostly prone to leaks.